All right. Good morning, everybody. We are back from vacation, so we are going to start trading on the stream. Travis, let me know about the sound test. I'll check quickly everything.
Yep, everything's good.
Okay,
Good
cool.
morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Let us know if you can hear us on the chat, and let's get going without further ado. So, very tight ranges, guys, but slowly but surely we are going away from the red dashes, okay, and we are making lower highs. See, lower high, lower high, lower high, rejecting the red dashes, and we are kind of staying at that 700 680 area for this morning. So this is going to be the critical area here. See, 680. If we break here, because this is the past few days range, see, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So if we break here, the NASDAQ, we are going to go to that 680, possibly walk our way all the way to the 520. That being said, at one point, I think the market is going to look at going back to the 25,000 NASDAQ and the 650 plus on the SPY, because the market is always attracted to round numbers. Round numbers are very, very powerful in the market. So at one point between now and October, November, which is usually the weak month, the August and the September, that's why I went in vacation. I was out for almost 2 weeks, guys. I was in Europe with the family, visited some my brother, aunt, friends, and everything. So now we might have some low volume also because the Europeans are on vacation till about another 10 days. In 10 days, Europeans go back in school. New York goes back to school. We will have a little bit more volatility. August and September are traditionally weak. As you can see already, the short-term power trend box is on the downside. Negative institutional buyer, major and minor block, overall trend down, but the long-term trend is still intact on the long side. So it would not be completely impossible that we are dripping slowly and surely towards this number, the 23,500 here, okay? And as a matter of fact, if you look at price action, look at the tape. It's completely lower high here. So we are going to assume here that the 23,769, 23,780 is huge resistance this morning with the upper block. And we are going to start looking, right, at those targets right there, the 689 coming here, right? We're going to look at this 620 coming on the major zone right there, that light blue. And we are going to look at the final arrival at 524, right? So I'm a little bit more bearish, right, this morning, right? But you got to be careful because some stuff are set up for rebound as well. Like this morning, for instance, I would like to see if Palantir is going to continue cracking. So let's look at one chart, Palantir. See, Palantir starts rejecting the top of the boxes and the double red dashes. So this price action on Palantir is not very, very good here. Okay? Palantir starts weakening on its way to this red dash, which is the 154. So I'm going to take that Palantir here, 176, 174 area this morning is a resistance area for Palantir. Look, Palantir starts rejecting really, really well. So if this is helpful, your likes, comments are appreciated, guys. Next that I am looking on the weak side is Amazon. I have made some good money on the Amazon short, guys. They came with earnings. They broke the channel. They are at the top of the box. The key area of Amazon is going to be this 228, 227. If I can break this 228, 227 on the probability indicators, then I am a go all the way to the 219. So I kind of like this short 232 or a debit spread, a put debit spread on Microsoft, this 230, 220 area, kind of like that for the option play, guys. Okay. Those are my two favorite one. I don't want to touch Tesla. Everybody wants to buy short Tesla. I don't know what to make out of it. Each time I heard about Elon Musk slipping back in the factory floor, I don't like to bet against Tesla. And I have a feeling Tesla is going to go, and stay in that range of 265, 350, until October, all this block right there. And then we'll have a resolution on Tesla. And I think eventually the resolution is up on Tesla. So be careful overshorting the Tesla. I prefer buying those higher low on Tesla. See? Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. I prefer looking at the 310, 265 entry on Tesla long with some call debit spread between now and October, November. So we have to be careful of Palantir, retracement and weakness, and we have to be careful of Amazon. Okay? There's another one too that has made me good money on the options. Put debit spread January has been the Microsoft. So Microsoft has been really good to me. So let's delete all of this crap. Let's go to, I was like, why is those charts so compressed? Of course, they are weekly charts. Microsoft has been good to me. I think we might set up 485, 497 retest on Microsoft first. And if it's really bad, we might go back retesting this high here, this 467, 460 on Microsoft. But between now and November, I want to see this thing tanking here, back here, tanking here, back here. Okay? That's really my play on Microsoft. Okay? So I hope it's helpful. Your likes, comments are appreciated. We'll start in 5 minutes the prop firm. So we're going to focus on the NASDAQ. I'm going to delete all of this. And we're going to see if they trap back up today, right? Because there's a lot of movement holding here. I want to see what happened at the 770, 780 area on the NASDAQ, okay? So I'm trading my 1, 2, 3 pro account. I have 4 pro account, guys, but I did not activate 2 other ones. So actually, I could have 6, but you can only have 5. And I'm not activating them because it's a bad time of the year, guys. It's not the greatest time of the year right now. So let's wait and see here. Let's wait and see to activate more of the pro account towards probably next week, after a week, because I just came back. So the dopamine and all of this is not readjusted from the trip. I was away for 10 days. I always like to reset slowly, the getting my groove with the ranges, getting my groove with the size. So I probably am going to wait. Okay. I'm close to eligible for payout on this pro account that we are going to trade together this morning. So let's see. And that's it. Travis, anything else you want to add?
Yeah, I mean, just kind of echoing what you're saying, but as far as kind of looking bearish on the market, it does look kind of heavy, especially on the Nasdaq. Yesterday we had our red dash about, I think it was around 825, and that was yesterday's high, so it did hold that. That red dash has moved up a little bit to 835, so now I'm kind of looking this 840, 850 area as strong resistance if we can make it up there. Otherwise, yesterday's area, the 800, 825, looking at the top side, and then basically the same on the downside, looking for 650 to the 600 to 650 to the 600 area.
Okay, so then we are all clear, guys. We are trading today with 3 pro account. The pro account that I am going to trade with you has 102, 139 in equity. So it's very close to passing. I might rotate to the other accounts. I will tell you if I rotate. But overall, you have the game plan. I am looking to see if they are rejecting 780 on the downside this morning, okay?
Yeah, sorry, Mark, I was going to mention, so that 770, 768 actually is yesterday's open. So you were mentioning that level, but I just want to point out that is yesterday's open. So that is a good level to look at.
Say that again. I'm sorry, I didn't.
Yesterday's open is 768. So when you're talking that 770, 780 area, that's a replay of yesterday's open. So I like it as a level to look at as a resistance.
Okay. Now, as far as the option account, you can see, I want to show you everything in a transparent manner. I just came back. My deltas are very, very tight. 29 delta, $2,000 open still. It's a bunch of credit spread or small sizes. You can look here, boom, boom, and boom. Okay. Okay, so let's look. We are coming back towards that 60. Maybe I'll start an MNQ short here.
Order filled.
And here.
Yeah, I'm going to show this.
Yeah, I just got it, but I need a stop loss at what was that yesterday? That was really bad. 800, 812.
Well, yeah, 825 was the high.
Yeah. So let's see what happens. It's very, very tight ranges, guys. It's very, very tight ranges. I want to see also the Palantir is in free fall. I want to see if they can retest Palantir 174 area, 173. And see if there's a short on Palantir. I hate to short Palantir, to tell you the truth, because it could be a trap. I'm going to see what's happening at 173, 174 on Palantir. Okay, we are up 17 points now.
Yeah, I'm taking profit on that. I'm flat now, coming down to the overnight low.
We are up 20 points, 21 points.
This 735 is yesterday's IB low.
23, 25. That's a shame there was not a full NQ here, $600. Look at this. Look at this. Perfect entry. Perfect entry. Now, not enough size, but perfect entry. Look at this. I don't know what's going on, but perfect entry. This is a 50-49 points trade right there on one MNQ in the space of 2 minutes from the open. So I'm going to take it probably and see if we reshort the 30s maybe. Not sure what's going on, but it's very good. This move is very good. Should have done a full NQ.
Order filled.
I took it, and that was almost a 50 points, guys. 50 points. Pretty good.
Passed my other 50K combine with that move.
We had a perfect entry there. We said 68, we got 61, that was perfect. Oh my God, look what's going on.
Yeah, still going. All in the first 5 minutes.
Yeah. Something really good there. Very, very good. This is beautiful. Going to do some rotations. That's really good. Guys, we gave you this trade on the silver platter, guys. Like literally gave you this trade on the silver platter. 50 points. Good morning, Paolo. Everybody, be engaged. Remember, we come if you're engaged. If not, I'll be back next week because I have been fighting with something from the plane getting back. Like, I don't know what I got. I don't know if it's COVID or something, but I slept 18 hours yesterday. After 10 weeks vacation, I still manage. This is very good. I love the price action here. This is bad. This crack is bad because that's going to 620, 600, 520 if we continue. Let's see how we react at 680 now. I want to see the Palantir. I told you, Palantir. Look at the huge. Do you see a news, Travis? Do we have any news, guys?
I don't think so. I think this is just a function of the market.
No, but this is a big break here. Look at Palantir. Palantir just broke 160 now.
Yeah, we just dropped 100 points in 5 minutes. That was a huge, huge move.
I'm going to add a put position on SMH. The 305 January. I'm going to add. Am I in the wrong account? Cannot see shit. Why it did not let me buy? This is good, guys. We are rejecting the 80. So we got the first, what did we got? The first 50 points, we got it. Let's see how we re-enter now.
Yeah, I mean, now I'd be looking at yesterday's IB low, 735, the 750 area as a point of resistance, if we can even get back up all the way up there.
Some news must have come. Something must have come. Let's see if we can retest 680. Let's see if they trap the 680 back up to 720. I would not take the long here. The market is too weak for the long, but we're going from the red dash at 641, 640. There might be some rebound here. See that 640 area. Well, it went right on my. It's holding the. It's holding the box. Let's see what happens now at that 680. That trade was really good, guys. The entry, you know, the exit, even 50 points. 50 points is a lot, you know, on NASDAQ. I will not stay long today, guys. I got to go at one point. I have a lot of stuff to catch up. And like I told you, I'm sorry. I think I got some COVID coming back Sunday from the plant. I was out for 10 days. And then yesterday I ended up crashing 18 hours. That was not fun. But today, getting better. So we already made 50 points. Review the feed. Let's see what happened. Let's see how high they can rebound. If they rebound to 780, 720, I'm thinking, and short again. I don't know. Let's see. I want to observe now the open range, Travis. Make sense?
Yeah, especially with the movement we've had already, I think that makes a lot of sense too.
And we went to blue. So it's buy on blue, sell on purple. We're coming on blue. So I want to see if they are going to reject the purple at 707, 702, 730, the high below from yesterday. They might come back to 720 now, guys. 720, 730 is possible. Anything else you're looking at now?
No, like I said, that 735, 750 zone is what I'll be looking at to short again if it gets back up there.
I told you Palantir was a short this morning. If you caught it at the open, that was a perfect short. I told you Microsoft, Palantir, Amazon. Those are the three that I'm looking at weaknesses. I don't want to short anything else but Amazon and Palantir, but Palantir, I do not want to take on knee overnight. If you short Palantir, in, out as a day trade, because Palantir 150, you might see a lot of buyers coming. This was a huge, quick, weird move that happened, like a huge liquidation that was very, very quick. Palantir, super, super, super weak here. And my phone is dead, of course. I need to go recharge it. I'll be right back, guys. Travis, can you take it over? I'll be right back.
Yep, no problem. Same old, same old. Waiting to see. Now we regained 700, so see what happens to 720 if we make it to 735. We got some strength here off of this, so it might be just a bounce, but it's obviously a big move off of that big move. So. Thing is, it did already get down to the bottom division of our probability calculator. That was the level there that Mark was looking at earlier today, this morning, initially. So we've already made it down there to that 660. I'm not saying that that's going to be the bottom today, but of course anything can happen. Still more bearish on the day, though. I think there's some more downside to come later. Volume indicator, however, is looking pretty strong. It's actually out of, Mark has it there on his far right chart on the bottom there, but where the volume indicator is, it's actually to 40 right now, so you can see that's out of range. We'll have to have him move that up so you can see that, but the volume indicator is pointing up off of this, so with volatility pointing down at the moment. Let's see, we're at 725 now on on the NASDAQ, got up to 731, so it got up close to retest the IB low from yesterday. See if that's a rejection point or not.
Too short or not too short? We missed it.
Yeah, we did. Can you move your volume, adjust your volume indicator just a little bit, Mark? It's out of view. Thank you.
The volume indicator and the VIX are not very weak.
No, they're very strong. But I mean, if you look at the ES is pretty strong too. It dipped down, but it's back above its open already.
I'm very tempted to be done, guys. One trade, 50 points, done for the day, you know? That's pretty much maybe feeling like this morning, especially recovering from something. I don't know if it was COVID or something, but I just slept 18 hours. I must have caught that in the plane coming back from 10-day vacation. By the way, guys, we are going to do a lot more streams coming up. Probably we are going to accelerate the streams next week. Okay, I will be trading a lot more in front of you guys. But I'm also waiting for this week. I need to catch up a lot of stuff, work and personal wise. And also I'm waiting for the volatility to come back, you know, for the traditional. We missed that 730 reshort, by the way.
We sure did.
we gave it to you perfectly. We gave you the range perfect, but I did not execute it, the reshort. I was upstairs, to tell you the truth. I was just looking for that charger. Let's see if they are able to structure a little bit of a higher low, coming back again, playing this range around this 740 again, up and down. But this was a violent move down. Look, it's reshorting violent again. It's another violent short here. Yeah. We say 30, we should have gone, because even with MNQ, you just want to do it. You don't have a lot to lose with micros. See, like,
yeah, you can give yourself a little more room to work with. So yeah, you're right. We should have taken that. Oh well, say la vie, right?
yeah. Here's an equal low. Do they make the new low?
So we do have this major level. Yeah, you do have it there in your chart at about 615.
It's almost feeling like the volume indicator is something wrong.
Well, I mean, let's look at the Russell and the Dow.
No, but the VIX is going up a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, the Dow is positive on the day. The Russell is basically break even, so that's why. Definitely a mixed bag. NQ is by far the weakest. The Dow is the strongest.
By far, SPY is the strongest. Look, we're at 642 SPY still.
Well, compared to the Dow and Russell are stronger than SPY.
You have a lot of divergences. This is sideways here, this is down here, and this is up on SPX. But the NASDAQ is weak here. It's the Palantir, the SMH. Look, I'm going to put the SMH. I told you this morning, I am short SMH, and it's paying off here. I'm short. I told you that Palantir was losing stream. What else did we say? Amazon, SMH, right? Palantir. Wow, we really missed that 730 re-entry there, because we got 50 points on the first one, and this is so 680 now becomes huge resistance, guys. I told you at least I didn't want to buy this. I wanted to short this. Yeah, this might go all the way to the 600, 520 today, guys. Be careful, resistance 660, 680 now. 660, 680.
Order filled.
Okay, I took a short here, but I'm going to be very tight because I'm 660, 680, and I don't want to give back. See, here will be my stop loss. I don't want to give back the 50 points I did earlier on. But I think wait here, maybe 680, 690 retest. It's not a great trade. I might kill it.
Order filled.
I kill it for 20. I don't want to give back the 50 points I had. Let's see what happens. Because at least it might go retest this high below of 63, I told you. Or this division of power indicators, 657. So 657, 670 is at least a better re-entry point. There's a little bit of panic now. So this is pretty good. So we must have lost, what, 10 points on this one and 50 points profit on the other one. So still good for the day. Yeah, still up 25 points. See, it was good that I got out. Cannot believe we forgot. We talk about that 7:30. We gave it to everybody, Travis, and I just came back from the kitchen.
Yeah, I mean, it happened pretty quick, and I was looking for it to go just a tad higher. It rejected off of that very quickly.
It's very violent week this morning. Don't forget, August and September, I told you, are the weakest month of the year. I think you're better off doing MNQ and be very wide today. Again, we missed this retest. Each time we miss those little retests, our probability of money goes down because this was a 62.70 retest, right? I'm very delta neutral with the options, so it's my AMD that makes me go. I should. What's going on here with AMD? Why do I have 15 shares too much? Selling 15 shares of AMD here. I should be one-on-one on AMD. Am I missing something? No, good. 100 shares for 100 for one cover call. Is there a report at 10, Travis?
No, there's nothing today.
Everything
was pre-market.
What's the Jackson Hole thing?
That starts on Thursday. We have the Fed meeting minutes tomorrow at 2, and then Jackson Hole is Thursday and Friday.
Guys, you need to be careful of stuff like this. I came this morning, I told you, be careful. Palantir, it's cracking. Look, it's 164. Palantir is on its way to the red dash, 154. Amazon, You need to be careful. Look at Amazon. Amazon, it's on its way here to 220, 219, to the division of the power indicator. I told you to be careful of Microsoft. Microsoft here, boom. It's coming here to this 490 area, 495. Okay, so this, you need to be careful because NASDAQ looks like it's about to set up weak, guys. Do we retest there or we wait the 80? That's what I'm thinking. 701.
This 650 was actually the level, the initial level I was looking at on the downside. It's a strong level. We could very well rally from here, at least for the rest of the morning. Maybe dump again in the afternoon.
That's
that kind of like long of 650.
That 704 retest short is interesting to me. 704. So let it squeeze. Let it squeeze. Let it squeeze. Let it squeeze. 704 seems interesting. I might start building a position. Seven oh four, 710.
Order filled.
Okay, I have one here. No, wrong account. Sorry. I have the wrong account.
Order filled.
Cannot find you guys. Oh, here.
Order filled.
Wrong account. And I'm going to put the stop loss at the same 740 area. And we are going to start building it up from there. Okay? We're going to start building it up from that 700, 695 to 740. We're going to start building it up. If it comes back to the 620 later on. Make sense on the feed? Give me a quick yes, no. I'm just going to start stacking maybe 5 MNQs, 1 to 3, 1 to 5, between the 790, 690, 740. I have those 3 take profit account, and I keep on confusing where to click. We're up 10. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to see if they make higher lows all the way to 710, 740 again, Travis. And then stack it. And like I told you, it's been a little bit of a long day already for me. A long few days. I don't want to overdo it. The SPY are not moving. I want to point out the SPY are not moving. So look, I am up 10 points. Ooh, that 10 points went up 10 quickly. I was going to take it. I might take it here. I don't want this to get back to a loser. I'm going to go on the dome.
Order filled.
Done. Got out of the short. Let's see if it can go up a little bit more, and then let's see what happens. I'm looking at 10-15 area now. Did you say there was a report at 10?
No, there are no reports today. There's no report on equities this week, actually.
Okay, I'll be right back. Yes. Okay, my target area is 704, 740 for reshorts, guys. Write that down. Possibly a 620, 520 target in the next 2 days or the next day. If it continues like this, that break this morning, Travis, of 720, 740 is really bad. If we are going back above 740, then the longs are back. Write that down. 740, this high below, this power indicator zone, plus the 930, all this area there, 735, 750. If we go back above that, that's the squeeze, that's the trap. Otherwise, shorts. Okay? Otherwise, that's all I'm doing. Shorts below those levels, below that 740. 740, 710, 720, 700 there. Okay? It's not going up either, huh, Travis?
Yeah, no, it's kind of chilling here under 700.
And you have the SPY rejecting the 930 open now, Travis.
Order filled.
Ale, I'm taking one and I put a 750 stop loss and I'm going to build the position because I see the SPY is weakening here from the opening. So I'm going to take it. That will be my third short of the day. After that, I'm done, guys. I'll be my 3 trades. Remember, I like to be done before 11 o'clock. I do not like to put new trades before 11 o'clock. We are going to build this position, just like build it up. Let it breathe up, down, and see if we build between 1 and 3 MNQs, between 700 and 740. Then if it breaks back 680, I'm adding 2. I'll be 5. You have a chance of making $500 to $1,000 and done. Not a lot of stress. Trading. And this is also the moment of the year you got to be careful because August traditionally is weak, September is traditionally weak, but then October, November, people come back and re-enter strong. There'll be a lot of cash on the side, especially if the Russian issue gets solved. They will create a lot of cash on the side. Do you have a re-entry point besides that 705?
No, I think I'm done for the day, quite honestly. If we get back up, yeah, to that area that I was talking before, the 730, 750, of course, 760 is the open. So that whole range, if we get back into there, that'd be my target area. But at this point, I'm probably just going to be done for the day.
The first trade was magnificent. Like those first 50 points, like on the downside, was really good.
Yeah, and that's when those type of trades happen, that's really all you need for the day. I didn't hit it perfectly. I got out way too early, but still pretty much all you need for the day.
They are fighting this area. They might squeeze it at 720, 730. Be careful before they dump it again. Huge fight there at the 700. Something must have made that market extremely nervous this morning. You know, something must have made this market extremely nervous this morning. You know, what? I don't know, but something. See, now they might try for the 720. Be careful. I told you. Look also SPY, guys. Do you guys see SPY? Travis regaining strength. SPY.
Yeah, ES is taking off.
SPY is regaining strength. It's holding perfectly the 642.
VI is taking off too.
There is a problem Nasdaq versus SPY though.
Yeah, there's definitely a divergence there with the what the word is, but they're not in sync. That's for sure. Correlation. That's the word I was looking for. They are not directly correlated.
Yeah, the VI going up. The VIX is not very weak as well. It's just coming closing the gap. SPY is very strong. See, when we had the first trade with 50 points, that's where you stop. But that's fine. Let's see if I can build 2 or 3. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Those are only micros, guys. But I got to go by 11 a.m. no matter what. I got to. There's so much to do, guys. I think we have a big problem though on SPY right there. So that 644.5 on SPY is going to be critical. 644.5. Let's see if they pass it. Remember, the Nasdaq could go above that 750 now and trap everybody back here at 828. So you have to be careful. I have to be careful right now. This trade is looking worse. I probably should kill it.
Do have overnight VWAP here at 7:30 as well. So you got VWAP at 7:30. Yesterday's IB low 7:35. So you got some big resistance coming right here.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is if we repass here this power indicator 43, this area, this 43.50 area, it's game over.
Yeah, I see what you're talking about. Yeah.
It's squeezing all the way to 825. And it could be a boom candle and then a fade. So they could like boom here, 750, 760, boom, back to the 600 and continue their trajectory of lower high. It's fine. I am a 150K account there. So. Oh no, it's a 100K account. And you see the importance of trying to stop trading at your first trade or your second or third. Like God gave me 50 points and I insisted trading again. So I mean, so now even though it's going to be positive, something, it's not going to be much, but positive. I'm tempted to get out of here. I still make $44, but I want to see if they reject that 30, 40, 50 area. And I'm thinking even, should I add one more at 35.50? But if they pass 50 on NASDAQ, it's game over. They are going to squeeze 828. And I'm looking at the SPY, and the SPY is very strong. You can see the SPY. SPY is very strong. Yeah, I should get out. I should wait for a higher pop and see if I want to fade that higher pop.
It's right here, testing VWAP as resistance. Momentum is starting to cross up, but still have trend and everything down. So it's a moment of truth here.
I mean, the NASDAQ is rejecting again. It goes on. The NASDAQ doesn't seem to like very much that 730 area. So I think that 730, 750 might be, it's the moment of truth. Either I'm going to get squeezed, which is fine. It's 1 MNQ, guys. Or I can add, if there's one more pop, I might try to add one more short. Or two. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. That's trading, guys. Because I'm thinking where I have my stop is where I should have my next short. So I'm going to put my stop. I'm going to move my stop here at 77. And I'm going to prepare some shorts, I think. I'm going to prepare a short at 55. And I'm going to prepare a short if they pop here. What was the previous pop here? 36. Let's see if they pop the previous pop, 36. 36 area. Here. So actually I'm lining up two more shorts. If they pop there. Now, if I look at the power indicator, it could go to 788 and fake everybody. Maybe I should not. I should move this one here. And this here. Can everybody hear us? Give us a quick yes, no. Your likes, comments are appreciated as always. I think, if I am not mistaken, the take profit 40% off gone, guys?
I don't think it is. I just got an email from it today. Pretty sure they still have it. I'm looking on the website. Yeah, it's still on the site.
I'm pretty sure that 40% is off. Yeah, yes, it was in, but there was talk that they were going to remove it.
They're still offering it on their website.
Go ahead, I'm sorry.
I said they're still offering it on their website.
Okay, cool. So if you guys want to support the community, the code PPI is appreciated. I'll take that off. And don't forget also, I'm testing a new prop firm right now that has end of the day trailing drawdown. So it's better than trailing drawdown from take profit. The key right now that I'm trying to figure with them is if they pay, because the most important thing in prop firm is, can they pay? That's it. So if they can pay, great. If they can pay, that's a problem. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to figure. Remember, we are looking at the 730 to the 760 huge resistance for the market right now. If they are able to pass above the 760, then it's game over. They will squeeze all the way back to this huge resistance of our power indicator red dashes and blue zones of 798 to 834 right there, the block here, right there. Okay. So right now I'm assuming I'm shorting the 730, 750 area. That's what I'm assuming right now. Travis, anything else?
Nope, not for me.
Watch Palantir. Palantir is weakening, and this 169 is resistance, and Palantir is going here to our red dash of what is this? 155. Palantir is weakening to 155, guys. Palantir, look at this beautiful reject of the power indicator. 76% chance of a rejection, right? Still as of today. Rejection of the top, 188 on our power indicator. Beautiful swing trade for Palantir, guys. Beautiful swing trade on Palantir. Well, do they go for a shoulder? Do they go for a new low? I mean, Palantir 163 is indicative that this market is still going down. I still have my limit order short at 55.68, but I don't think they will hit. Let's see.
Short's looking good right now, Mark. Rejected that VWAP very nicely.
Well, not so good because I didn't add it to my short at 720, 727. But I don't care. If we have the first trade today was the most beautiful trade, 50 points straight down from where did we enter? 760, 761 area, guys. It was really, really a good entry. this thing is going to play ping pong 680, 730, and then eventually maybe later on crash, guys. That's how I see it. I will not touch the long, guys, unless this market is above 760. Is everybody clear on the feed? Give me a quick yes, no. You don't have the signal long unless you're above 760. Below 760, 750, there's still lower high shorts. 1018, we are 12 minutes to the initial balance. They might push it as high as possible now. Let's see. I'll be right back. Be careful. I think we are going to play that 700, 740, 750 range before they try to tank it one more time. Especially because the initial balance is coming. They are going to try to bring it as high as possible. You don't think so, Travis? I think like usually that's what they try to do on the initial balance.
Yeah, I don't know here at this point. I think it's best to wait for a move off of the initial balance at this point, you know, for if you're going to look for another trade.
The open range high was 71. So this is why I'm trying to put my limit order just like around the open if they like do a huge squeeze, you know. I'm going with the assumption we continue lower high with 730, 750 shorts above 770, long squeeze to the 825. And that would be the only time I would go for the long, guys. You can take a picture of this right side chart before I leave because I will be leaving soon. And it is what it is. You know what? I think what happened is my pro account was not connected properly. Because the pro account, I made some money this morning. And this other one with you guys, I'm making 37 bucks right now. I'm so close to payout. Actually, I don't care about payout. I want to build the buffer, try this until September, right? I think it's the best course of action.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I mean, I'm eligible for a payout on my blended account too, but the balance is only 2,200. So,
well, take profit. You can take anything above your buffer, which is 103 in this account this morning. But I like to build it up a little bit. I like to build up the buffer. The options, guys, are not. I'm losing money on AMD. My cover call is not protect. Cover call will never protect you as much as the. So let me see. Even though I'm still up $1,900 there on the options. Can you guys see the option account?
Yeah, we see your toss.
I want to show you and explain something to you, because this is the false impression that a cover call is going to protect you. Look, I have my 100 shares of AMD against the 180 call to a cover call to protect me, but I'm still losing money, $400 today. So the rate at which I'm losing the drop of the stock versus the option protection is way faster. Okay, I just want to point that out because that's my biggest loser today, this cover call on AMD. But I'm still up $1,000, so I still have $1,900 open on those small positions. One cover call 100 shares here, BBBI 100 shares, Microsoft. I just covered the short. I let the long run for more profit because I have a 500 target, right? So it's 1,340 on the Microsoft now. And Micron, I have something, but I'm losing money. I don't know what this Micron is doing. I have a, what do I have? I think I have a call credit spread on that. That's why I'm not making money. And SMH now is up only $27 on the 305 puts. So still up 1,000, still up 1,926, you know, on a crazy down day on the Nasdaq, you know. Okay, let's go back to the prop firm crap. And I will be leaving soon. My pro account is up, guys. I think I didn't connect my pro account here. I connected another pro account, not the one I was showing you, I was showing you which one. I was showing you the 4334, and then I end up making money on the 4334. But anyway, let's focus and let's see what happens here. Okay, the short starts going, guys. The short start going. Yeah, you know what happened? I connected the wrong account, guys, today. Look, the 5334 is right there, and I made 520 now. I did some NQs while on the stream, and I realized I didn't have the right account, and I have 44% win ratio. It's not great, but I'll take the $520, guys. You know, and I am $350 away from getting paid on this one. And now we are positive 12 points on this micro here.
Yeah, we could be setting up an inverse head and shoulders on the opening range low here, so be careful of that.
Yeah.
I would take it here, Mark. This is a big move. Just made a new low.
Yeah, I made another $500 on the pro account, guys. So on the 534, so this one we just made another 50 points. Just another 50 points. Boom.
Order filled.
Boom, done. I'm done for the day. Oh, I have a micro on the 534 again. Hold on. Oh, where's my pro account?
Order filled.
Nice. Done. So let's recap. The account that I was with you guys, well, the pro account is eligible for payout almost. Oh, no, it is eligible for payout. I'm 292 eligible for payout and just made $1,196. I increased my win ratio now with this drop at 55%. It is 10:29. In 1 hour, we made 1,196. Now, the small account with you, the what was this? The 538 account is right there. And let me show you the thing. And that's the trade we did together. And that's an 80% win ratio, guys. 5 trades. 80% win ratio, 5 trades. So you can go back through the entire stream and only 1 micros. You can see what's possible with 1 micros. All right? I'm trying to see if I can get you the thing. This was good. Thanks, Travis, for letting me get out.
Yeah, that was a good trade.
Big move, and that was a big move to the edges of the power indicator, right?
Yeah, exactly.
What is this? Is this the Gyozu of the trades of today? Yeah. So look here, 5 trades, 80% win ratio, 182, 1 contract at a time. If it was 1 NQ, 1 full NQ, it would be $1,820. $1,820. You can look at the entire stream, 5 trades. I call the shorts after shorts after shorts after shorts. You know, so if that was helpful, and if you guys made some money this morning, your likes and comments are appreciated. If you want us to come and do more streams like this publicly outside the private group, okay? I'm going to take a break. Actually, guys, I'm done. I will be back tomorrow for Wealth Wednesday at 8:45. This was an excellent stream. 5 trades, 80% win ratio on the stream, plus the pro account, $1,000 eligible for payout. Love you all, everybody. See you tomorrow. Take care. Have a great day, and we'll finish with our little new music from AI. Travis, you take care. Thanks for helping, man.
Yep, you bet. Everybody make it a great day.
Yeah, that was great. Just shorts. We grab over 50 points on the last, 50 points on the first. 5 trade, 80% win ratio, and 55% win ratio on the pro accounts with the 1,000 and the eligible payout. You guys take care. You have a great day. Watch and rewatch and watch and rewatch this stream a million times. Take care.
Never ever give up. I almost let go 1,000 times. Traded my sleep for a shot at consistency. Blood and tears fell through long lonely weeks. My dream kept me going when I felt too weak. Whoa, never give up through blood, tears, and success. I am the unknown best. YouTube trader here to share, help me trade past to pay out. Together and invest in assets that produce income together. Thinking way differently, we are experienced traders, helping traders through the mountains. The journey of being a profitable trader. Never ever give up. I almost let go 1,000 times. Traded my sleep for a shot at consistency. Blood and tears fell through long, lonely weeks. My dream kept me going when I felt too weak. Whoa, never give up through blood, tears, and success. I am the unknown best. YouTube trader here to share, help me trade past to pay out. Together and invest in that.